What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you a Louis Vuitton haul. This is my first haul and probably maybe the last for this year. I wanted to share with you guys what I got at Louis Vuitton. I just want to unbox these items and kind of start using them. Some of them, actually I haven't used any of them. One of them I got on my birthday and that was back in October and I never opened it because I wanted to film and I haven't had time, so now I'm here. I'm going to unbox it for you guys and I really hope that you enjoyed. If you're new to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the little bell so you're notified every single time that I post a new video. I post new videos every single Tuesday and Saturdays and they're usually fashion related videos, how to style, lookbooks, things like that, or hauls, and then luxury items, like reviews, unboxings, hauls, things I'm not supposed to buy, but I do it anyway. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox this one right here. I got this one at Saks Fifth Avenue, and I think that's their ribbon. Maybe they didn't have the Louis Vuitton ribbon, I don't know, but I actually like it like that. I think it's really nice and really neat and cute. So I'm going to try to be careful to unbox this one. And let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this first item I got today. The others I got, one I got in December for Christmas, and then the other I got for my birthday, and I just liked it because I'm a huge procrastinator. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. It comes in this little dust bag. This is my first drawstrings dust bag from Louis Vuitton, and that's, I don't know, fun fact I guess. The item that's in here has been so hard to get. It's been sold out online everywhere, and I was even surprised that I actually had it. The essay got it out, and I was like, oh my god, yes, I want it. Give it to me. I called it the Holy Grail of Louis Vuitton. It probably isn't, but it is for me. So it is the Toiletry 15. It is so cute and tiny, and I don't have the dimensions, all the details, but this is how it comes in the box. And the tag is in here, and I have the SKU card, the model number, and then the barcode, and I don't think it has the price on here. I don't know how much it was. I think it was $3.25. I'm not sure, but I will link the link down below and you can check it out online. And always, all Louis Vuitton has the kind of textile, how it's made, coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, and made lining. So this is the canvas lining with the canvas lining. This is in the canvas with the monogram, and I think that's the only way that they make them anyway. And then the inside has like the leather interior, kind of like a tan leather interior, which is really awesome. So if you spill anything on anything like that, you can clean it. I've been using the mini pochette kind of as my cosmetics bag, and sometimes I'm afraid that my lip balm may unscrew itself and spill all over it. And that will be really hard to clean because the lining in there is fabric. So, but this one is leather, so it'll be really easy to clean. And then it comes with the zipper with the LV right here. And this one is made in Spain with the vachetta right there. So I really, really think this is cute. And I'm so happy that I have it. Next item I have to share with you guys comes in this little box right here. This is a Christmas packaging. And I filmed all these videos at once, so it may be in the middle of March, or I don't know what month it will be when you see this. So my apologies, I guess. And it came with the Christmas ribbon, and this is just a really small item. It came in here, and it's the luggage tag with my initial, Sophie. And I love this. I wanted to put this on my Alma BB, and I recently got a new bag. And I wanted to put it on there as well. And yeah, so it's just a luggage tag with the silver hardware. I think it's pretty awesome. I honestly don't mind mixing metals, and I just did the big S with the silver. I think it's really cute, and this is the smaller luggage tag. I think they have a bigger one, but I got the smaller one since all my bags are pretty much mini bags. And yeah. Okay, and then the other item I got on my birthday, my receipt is in here. For privacy purposes, I don't like showing them. And the box right here, this is the item that I got for my birthday 10 years later. I am now finally unboxing it, and I'm finally going to get to use it. So it came with the blue ribbon and the little drawstring box. So I'm gonna put this back in here, put it on the floor. Dust bag right here, and this I've been wanting for a long time, and I finally got it on my birthday. It is the key pouch in the Empreinte leather with the black, and it comes with the zipper in the back, which I love. And then you could put cards and things in here, and here it has the outside and inside calf leather. Oh, interesting. I always thought it was, I don't know why, I thought it was fabric or something. Okay. Smells good. Okay, and then on, it has the button right here, and it says Louis Vuitton on there. Same thing on the zipper, and it has the leather tab right there with a grommet. And then on the inside, it looks like this, and it has the little key rings, so you could attach your keys. I'm assuming you would put them in here, and then put your cards in the back. But I'm most likely will be using this as a card holder and kind of like a grab and go item, where if I just need my keys and my cards just to go grocery shopping or something, then I can just grab that. But who am I kidding? I'm never grab and go. Grab my bag and let's go shopping, then go grocery shopping. So yeah, so that is it for this haul. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share it. Let me know in the comments down below, what are your thoughts? Do you have these items? How do you like them? How have they been holding up? And yeah, that is it. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.